In this video, we'll show you how to fix the issue of the screen not turning off in Windows 10 and 11. Usually, the screen doesn't turn off even when sleep mode is set because a background app, such as Steam, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, or AMD Adrenalin, is preventing it. You can use this command to check for any devices or apps currently preventing the device from sleeping. In my case, OBS Studio is the app preventing the screen from turning off. If this first method doesn't work, you can try disabling the USB Selective Suspend setting. Another potential issue is hardware. Some hardware can keep the computer active, preventing it from entering a lock screen state. You can use this command to identify hardware devices that are capable of waking your computer. To disable a device, you can use this command. Lastly, you can try updating the driver and firmware for your GPU to resolve the issue. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.